Wow, what a fun little car this is. I call it little because it's a compact SUV, but this is the brand new model, facelifted version of the Audi RSQ3, the 2.5 TFSI, but it's a sport edition. In Mythos Black on a 2020 70 registration with full Audi service history. This car's only got 29,000 miles on, but it's an impressive little SUV. It's stunning the way it looks, the way it drives. I've took this car out because I've never driven one. The last time we had one in, a few weeks ago, we should do the video. It was a lovely car and we sold it straight away, and that car was £60,000. This one, if you look at the price on the screen, it is priced on the money. With live pricing, this car's probably going to last 24, 48 hours maximum, because we do have clients out there that want a nice, fast SUV, but practical. And this being the Sport Edition, it's just full of gadget and gizmos. The first thing you'll notice, it's the new design Audi product. So they've gone with that new headlight system with the angular LED daytime running lights and the LED headlights. This being the Sport Edition, everything has been de-chromed, so it's black as a Mythos Black with a full black finish to it. That's the side vents, the full matrix grille there, all the RS badging, and even the Audi rings are finished in black. But then you come around to the side of the car and then you've got the most amazing set of wheels. Now remember, this is not a big car, but you've got 21-inch jet black Audi Sport wheels on there, which look absolutely fabulous. And just behind, peeking through, you can see the red brake calipers. Because it is a compact SUV, you have the off-road look to it with the arch kit, front and rear, all colour-coded, and you have got that excess ground clearance as well. So if you are going to go a little bit off-roading, it's perfect. You've then got the black window surrounds, the matte black finish to the roof rails, and this car's got the full tilt and sliding panoramic roof, which is a brilliant feature on any car. For me, this one, being the size that it is, with the engine that it's got, the sound that it makes, you've got 400 brake horsepower, which is 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. That's scary, to be fair. It's tremendous figures on a car like this. Talk about getting from A to B in a zip, then this does it. Start off with the door card, you have the ambient lighting, the Audi Sport lighting system as you get in the car. There's lots of Alcantara and leather, but you have that beautiful red stitching which breaks up that dark ebony interior. If you look at these beautiful Super Sport seats with the hexagon red stitching going on, you then got the red sections with the Alcantara on the top of the headrest. It is a one-piece seat with the RS stamped into the back of the seat. Electric adjustments, and then if I get in quickly, you see the RSQ3 entry kick plate, which is all illuminated. This car then has the comfort and sound package, so the most important Bang & Olufsen sound system, extra speakers just behind the A-pillars there and around the car. It is a Quattro because that's standard, so the four-wheel drive system is again one of the best out there. The more angular media system, touchscreen, navigation, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay. You've got dual zone climate control, heated seats, both passenger and driver, and the different drive select button. So you can go dynamic, auto, comfort, efficiency. I've left it in dynamic mode because in a few seconds I'm going to rev it and it makes a brilliant sound. You've then got USB and USB port down there, more cubbyhole space, automatic gearbox with the paddle shift. This car does come with 2 keys, flat bottom steering wheel, cruise control. It's just got everything. To the point where I love the design of the air vents with that lovely, again, angular look with a high gloss finish on the surrounds. As for the rear passengers, let me get in quickly before you see what's there. The first thing I can show you straight away is, yes, it is a compact SUV for the 14th time, but it's practical. Practical, i.e. legroom, headroom, you can move around, you're not shoulder to shoulder. You've then got these seats which also slide to create a bigger boot if you need that. But this is brilliant, and with 29,000 miles on, just look at the seat, the conditions. I say this quite often because I have kids and I'll put child seats in mine and you see loads of indentations on the base and the top. This one you can see it is in near perfect condition. You've got Isofix attachments if you do need that, 3-point seat belts. Brilliant. This is such a... You know, you get one of them cars sometimes where it's just fun to look at. You just look at it and go, wow, that's nice. It's one of them types of cars. We're surrounded by Lamborghinis and Range Rovers every single day. So every so often a car like this comes in and you think, that is really cool. Let me just show you the indicators quickly, 2 seconds, because this is an important feature. You've got the full LED lighting system front and rear, but then you have that dynamic sweeping indicators there, which I think, again, aesthetically just looks superb. The black badging continues, the RSQ3 in the back there. You've then got the iconic oval exhaust fascias there, big, and they make a tremendous sound. Listen to this. Bear in mind, this is a good family-sized car. You don't expect it to sound this good, but my God, this is... What more can you ask for? You physically can it. This is Brilliant. I would be absolutely gobsmacked if this hangs around more than a couple of days. Good size boot. The seats go down 40, 40, 20. So that means you're going to have one side down, both sides down, all of it down. You pick and choose. This comes off just by unclipping at each side, so it is pet friendly. And just underneath here, you've got your foam kit, lock and wheel nut, first aid kit, just in case you cut yourself driving, it's just in there. Press that button and it closes up. Bodywork wise, down the sides, all the wheels are in fabulous condition. It is a used car and it has done 29,000 miles. There might be a stone chip somewhere, but if you're buying this car, you'll be over the moon with the condition. That's not just the exterior, but also the interior, the driver's seat, passenger seat, the steering wheel. Electric windows and mirrors. You have got heated electric folding mirrors here, just down there. And then you've got this full Audi Virtual Cockpit, which is brilliant. You can see exactly what you're doing and it's useful. Put it into reverse, and then your reversing camera comes on. Stop start button just down there. All the adjustments for the steering column starts in and out and up and down. So when I see a car like this, I think straight away it's reliable, it's quick. The running costs, they are what they are. But it's a fun car, because not everybody needs a massive Range Rover. Some people just want... Who is the ideal customer for this car? I actually don't know. Is that an RS3 customer that goes, you know what, I want a slightly bigger boot, I want to do a little bit of off-roading, I just want to be slightly higher up, because it is slightly higher up. But then I get customers that go, you know what, I just want to be higher up because I want to find it easy to get in and out the car. Because with this having that extra little bit of ground clearance, you're not dipping into it, you step in, you step out. But then it's cool. So it's not as if it's a boring car. This is a very good, sporty looking, compact vehicle with the right spec on and the right colour combination. I've seen many in greens and blues and you think sometimes, you know what, I love blue personally. But if it hasn't got the right wheels, hasn't got the sliding roof, the comfort and sound pack, then it isn't the same car. My name's Joe, thanks for watching, bye bye now.